Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Simple Maths with Meenu. Today we will introduce one-sided limit, that is a right hand side limit and left hand side limit. Now first right hand side limit. Now that is limit x tends to c plus fx. So here for right hand side limit we will put x is equal to c plus h, where h tends to 0 plus, that is equal to limit s tends to 0 plus f of c plus h. What it means? Limit x tends to c plus, that means x is greater than c, but x is very close to c, that means x approaches to c from values greater than c. So that means x is equal to c plus h, where s tends to 0 plus, or we can say h is positive, but h approaches to 0. Now we consider x-axis. Now this is a value c and h is this one, and h is greater than 0. So c plus h, that is x is equal to c plus h. That means the values greater than c, they will lies on the right hand side of the c. Or in other figures we consider. Now see, first taking c plus 0.01, second c plus 0.1, third one c plus 0.2, and so on. Now x approaching to c from the right hand side, from this one. Next है left hand limit. Now limit x tends to c minus fx, that is equal to limit s tends to 0 plus f of c minus h. What it mean? X tends to c minus, that means x less than c, but x is very near to c, that means x approaches to from values less than c. So that implies x is equal to c minus h, where h tends to 0 plus, or we can say h is positive and h approaching to 0. As we again see on the x-axis, now this one is c and c minus h lies on the left hand side of c. X approaches to c from the left hand side of the c. Here h is positive. Now in second figure, consider c, and first point on the left hand side c minus 0.01, second c minus 0.1, and third one c minus 0.2, and so on. And x approaches c from the left hand side of the c. So there is a difference. That means in a right hand side limit, x approaches to c from the right hand side. In left hand limit, x approaches to c from the left hand side. When we say limit x tends to c, what it means? That means x is very near to c, but x is not equal to c. That means either x is greater than c, that means x tending to c plus, or x is less than c, that means x approaches to c minus. That means x lies in the left neighborhood or right neighborhood of the c, as I have already discussed the videos in 1 to 3. So, limit x tends to c fx is equal to L exists if and only if limit x tends to c plus fx, that is equal to L, and that is equal to limit x tends to c minus fx. That means right hand side limit, that is equal to left hand side limit, then limit x tends to c fx exists. And second note, if right hand side limit is not equal to left hand side limit, then we can say limit x tends to c fx does not exist. Find limit x tends to 0 f of x, where fx is given. When x less than 0, fx is equal to 2x plus 3. When x greater than 0, fx is equal to 3 into x plus 1. Now first we say left hand side limit, limit x tends to 0 minus fx. So that is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus x less than 0, that is 2x plus 3. So direct put x is equal to 0, we get 2 into 0 plus 3, that is equal to 3. And x greater than 0, that is limit x tends to 0 plus fx, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus 3 into x plus 1. Again put x is equal to 0, so we get 3 into 0 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Now limit x tends to 0 minus fx, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus fx, that is equal to 3. So limit x tends to 0, fx is equal to 3. That's all. If explanation helpful to you, please like and share my videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.